In a peaceful village by a shimmering river in Japan, the Obon festival was about to begin. The villagers prepared for the Toro Nagashi ceremony, where paper lanterns floated to guide the spirits of their ancestors back home. Among the villagers lived Kitsune, a young fox blessed with a touch of ancient magic. She could see the shimmering paths of spirits and eagerly awaited the festival. On the evening of the festival, the sky blushed with shades of pink and orange as the villagers lit their lanterns, preparing for the beautiful ceremony. But something was wrong. As the lanterns touched the water, they began to fill and sink, one by one, an eerie sight for the joyful ceremony. The spirit bridge that connected the world of the living and the spirits was fading fast. Kitsune's eyes shimmered with worry for everyone. Kitsune knew the spirits needed the lanterns to safely return to their world. She was determined to save the ceremony and help everyone. Determined, Kitsune ventured to the edge of the river, where an ancient turtle named Taro lived, seeking his wisdom. Kitsune said Taro, "The lanterns have lost their lightness of heart to guide the spirits." "But how do I help the lanterns?" Kitsune asked, her tail twitching with hope and a glimmer of determination. "Thoughtful, you must find 3 things to restore their lightness," Tara replied, "a memory, a melody, and a candle's flicker." Kitsune nodded bravely and began her quest, embarking on a journey filled with hope and anticipation. She visited the village elder, Mrs. Hana, who smiled warmly and shared a touching story of kindness. Kitsune listened carefully, feeling the joy and love in that memory fill her heart and strengthen her resolve. Next, Kitsune joined the villagers as they performed the Bon Odori dance, her spirits lifting. The rhythmic steps and cheerful songs lifted her spirits. She hummed the melody softly, feeling it sparkle through the air. Finally, Kitsune tiptoed quietly to a small house where a flickering candle burned gently on a family's altar. The candlelight danced softly, peaceful and warm, just like the love between family and spirits during Obon. Gathering the memory, the melody, and the candle's glow, Kitsune returned to the river with renewed hope. She whispered a magical blessing, and the lanterns began to lift, filling with lightness of heart once more. They floated beautifully on the river, creating a golden path that shimmered under the moon, guiding the spirits. The spirits followed the glowing trail, and Kitsune watched happily as they returned safely to their world, content. The village celebrated, dancing and singing into the night, thankful for the kindness and magic. And so, each year, during Obon, the lanterns float with joy and lightness because of Kitsune. The lanterns float with memories, melodies, and love across the river, thanks to a clever fox named Kitsune. Did you know Obon is a special Japanese Buddhist festival to honor the spirits? Every flicker of candlelight and dance step carries love across worlds.